It's our top story in 10-11 now at 10. I'm Jennifer Ortega.
And I'm Bill Shammert. As the pandemic progresses, the White House called upon American manufacturers to help fight COVID-19.
Now Ford Motor Company is looking to a Lincoln business for help to create the part of their project. New at 10-11's Ellis Wiltsey has more.
Modular expandable oxygen system, and it's used primarily in glass blowing, but we have a lot of customers in veterinary. We have a lot of customers in aquaculture, which is fish farming.
High-volume oxygen system was created and patented by Kornblue and his partners 10 years ago. In its newest role, it was taken to Michigan to help be a part of a project ordered by the White House.
Their mandate from Ford was to build an oxygen trailer that can be taken to basically sites.
The goal of the trailers is to aid in areas where people may not be able to get to hospitals for ventilators.
Well, these trailers are built to do 200 liters a minute, and we calculated that that could do anywhere from about, let's say, 30 to 45 ventilators.
Kornblue says he feels honored he can help during the pandemic, and that if approved to move forward, that the trailers can be used in instances other than COVID-19.
A few of these were located in Puerto Rico, for example, during the hurricane. This is before COVID-19, but I remember reading stories where people were dying for lack of oxygen in the hospitals. So it's just a very important piece of equipment for the country to have.
High-volume oxygen tells me the trailer passed its proof of concept test by medical and field experts. It tells me now it must wait for Ford and FEMA to decide what to do moving forward. Reporting in Lincoln, Ellis Wiltsey, 10-11 now.